kiss him. You kiss him. You're a good job.
Hey, take off your hat, man. That's the best part of the movie. I sure wish I was here. Maybe I'll get here soon.
Oh, I love intellectuals.
Why? Do you know any? He's the first guy ever said this close to that I didn't want to spit on.
I love spit.
I love guns. Have gun.
We'll travel.
Sometimes I travel 3,000 miles just to spit on people.
Yeah, you know, outlaws and intellectuals are really a lot alike. They both do their thinking at home.
Most people I either want to spit on or crack their skulls open with a sledgehammer, you know?
Hey, Travis, whatever you're on, I'd love $10 for it.
Bank robber?
In your mouth one more time during this song, I'm gonna rip your lips off and put them in your wife's cocktail. If you understand me, blink real hard. Wait a minute. I know who you are. You're that sassy young thing I seen on television, aren't you? Yeah, I saw you at the concert too, didn't I?
Sassy?
Oh, ma'am, I really meant that as a compliment. Travis W. Redfish, your humble servant, man. Take a hike.
I don't know. It's been a long night.
Welcome to Fantasy Island. Oh, yeah? Yeah!